Hi guys, it's the Canadian Slimer back again because of pre-isolation and quarantine. So I've had this GUU magnet box for maybe like over a year, so these things are old. And what was weird is that it didn't even come with a magnet. I thought it would, so I literally couldn't even test if the iron powder worked. But there's all the ingredients it came with. Borax-free DIY slime designed, and then it gives you the part A and part B of what you're supposed to be doing. So toss all of that out of the box, and yeah, this is all that came in it. The paint dried up, so I didn't even bother to use it. I didn't even use the glitter because I totally forgot about that too. But yeah, I'm gonna be doing some videos for you guys. I'm gonna be doing a Slime Obsidian unboxing slash review again because, well, you know, he's the only Slimer I'll ever buy from really for slimes. But like, I'm from Canada, and that USD and that shipping, like 2 slimes I bought costed me $56. 2 slimes, guys. Okay, anyways, back to the video. So as you can see, the glue, it's like clear, but I read on it and it says it dries clear, and I'm assuming that because it's so old, it literally like lost its opacity. So like from then on, I knew this wasn't gonna be a video that would actually be successful. And I don't know why I use the measurements, because who really ever uses them? Anyways, part 2. Get some warm tap water. So, well, anyways, you gotta pour that into this little container they gave. I also didn't know where the cover of the container was, but so here's the warm water. Added that in. I don't know why I did that, because I felt like that wouldn't have been a good idea anyways. And I would like 5 grams. Like, I was not going to actually go measure that. And it took me a minute to figure out how to open this, let me tell you. So yeah, I just put some in it, eyeballed it. No idea what 5 grams of iron powder even looks like. So that could have also been a contributing factor of why it didn't work, but I mean, this stuff is old. If I find the box, I'll put in like how, if it expired or not. I actually never checked. So look at this, guys, like, come on. What does that look like? That looks like some crazy juice, like some type of healthy drink. Well, here's the activator, borax free. You know, for the kids, because, you know, kids be crazy. Took me a while to open this as well. Like I can't do anything with my life. So I put that all in there. Stirred it. It literally was like water. So I'm like, oh, okay, that old, huh? So I decided to put more glue in it. I'm like, it's just way too thin. So I added the rest of the bottle. It still didn't really do anything. It just kind of melted into it. It didn't thicken up at all. And then I eventually did give up. Oh, not yet. I actually put more of the iron powder in it. I don't know why I thought to do that, because how in any way would that help with the thickening process? But hey, it's already downhill from here. Why not keep on going down? You know what? As I'm looking at the video, it kind of did thicken up more than it was at the beginning, at least. So yeah, pretty darn watery. So I literally gave up and I just put it down, totally forgot about it. And then maybe like 2 days later, I remembered about it, and it actually was pretty decent. Like, not decent, but I mean, it was slime-ish. I still couldn't test if it was magnetic because I just don't have a random magnet around. And then you could see I put too much iron powder in it because it all settled to the bottom. But it was a really weird texture. It was like jello. So well, this was a fail, and even if it wasn't, I couldn't test it because I had no magnets, but hey, I put out a YouTube video and I haven't done that in a while, so thanks for watching. If you're here still from the beginning, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. See ya!